China is sinking. 100,000 people evacuated. The worst flood in Dazhou's history. More than 100,000 people were evacuated on Monday due to flooding threats in Sichuan province in southwestern China. After prolonged rains at the end of the week, the water levels in the rivers of the province rose above the warning level. Already 6 cities in the province have been affected by the disaster, but the city of Dazhou has suffered the most. In 3 days, 120 liters of water per meter fell there. Powerful streams of water flowed through the streets, more than 160 houses were damaged, many cars were flooded. There are frequent heavy rains in China during the summer, but experts warn that extreme weather conditions are becoming more frequent now. Rising temperatures have increased the likelihood of heavy rainfall globally, and their impact on China is likely to intensify in the coming years.